Hey everybody, welcome to Cowboy Leather and Shoe Repair. Today's Friday, it's almost quitting time, but thought I'd make a little video and just show a few things that we've been working on this week. Been working on a lot of things. I've made a couple simple wallets, little basket weaved change purse. I'm back to making these bags with a holster on the front for this holds a 20 Heritage Arms Rough Rider 22 Magnum. Put a strap on there with a buckle. We sell these as a trapper bag. I've been making those for years and they're a pretty good seller. Making a couple front pocket, they call them money clips. Put your folded money in, close that flap, snap, slips it in your front pocket. I carry one. I make them black, brown, and a card holder, two folded money pockets. These I found are pretty good sellers. Customer ordered up a holster for a 4.5 to 5 inch Ruger single action. It's still a little damp. I put a light coat oil on it. I think it turned out pretty good. Hand tooling. But that's just a few things that I've got some other stuff that I've made. I just haven't got it out. Just see what else. Got 20 tool belts made, and I think 5 or 6 plain belts. So all in all, I've been pretty busy this week, and that's just the leather end of it. Shoe repair. I taken a lot of shoes in and sent a lot of shoes out that I've repaired. So we're moving forward. We're waiting on Christmas. We've got a lot of stuff. We're running a sale right now. I think it started Monday, and it will run until December 20th. And that's basically everything in the shop is marked down. Kind of clean the inventory out a little bit, and after first of the year when we reopen, make some more and put it back on the wall. I want to get rid of some of the older inventory that's been here 6 months, a year, and what I don't sell I'll probably take to horse sale or tack auction and wholesale it. Let somebody else worry about it. There's a lot of people out there that don't want to make tack, but they'll buy the tack and put it in their shops and sell it. I don't care, as long as I get my money for it. It's all good. But like I say, I just wanted to make a short video, show you what we've been up to this week, and basically just get it out there that we're still here, we're still making, and we're looking forward to the new year. We hope that it'll be better than this year. If not, we just keep muddling through. Get leather, turn big pieces of leather into little pieces of leather, bags, purses, pouches, whatever. But one thing I have noticed, my supplier, where I get my leather, I tried not to go through the big outfits, and price of leather, number one, is going up all over everybody. And I've heard a few people say that there's a leather shortage out there. I know the guy that I get my leather from, he had, I'd say, a pretty good sized warehouse full, and he hasn't been able to find any. So he's getting kind of low on inventory, and I mean really drastically low. And he said what leather he has, he said he may have to raise the price on it. And some of the leather he's not going to sell, because if he sells it all, then he's out and he can't make stuff. So this, whatever you want to call it, shortage, bottleneck out there in California way, is creating a small problem. You know, we don't have any major tanneries in the United States anymore. They're all out of business, or government's done shut them down. There's some smaller ones, but they can't turn out the leather that we need. But we'll see after the first year what's going to happen. Hopefully, we know there's cows out there. There's no doubt about the shortage of cows. But I'll just, like I say, wait till after the first year and see what that brings. So, like I say, I wanted to just make a short video, say hey, tell everybody to have a good weekend, be safe, and we'll see you on next go around. Cowboy Leather out. Bye now.